everyone, welcome back to TechLight, your go-to channel to learn SQL step by step with real examples. In today's lesson, you will learn advanced filtering techniques using between, in, and like. These commands help you search for ranges, specific lists, and pattern in your data. Stick with me. We'll explain everything clearly, and you will practice each command using Oracle SQL command line. Just quick recap with where classes. You have used it in my previous video day 4. You learned about where class, how to filter using where classes, and using greater than, less than, and or operators to specific data. Now we will go deeper with advanced filtering for real world scenarios. Now we are using between operator. What is between operator? What's the purpose of using between operator? Between operator purpose is filter data within a range between numbers, dates, etc. For example, we have to retrieve a data whose age is start from 18 and the ending range is 40. Now, in this scenario, we have to use between operator because we want to retrieve the data whose age is starting from 18 greater than 18 and less than 48 40 20 to 40 18 to 40 years. In this scenario we will use between operator. Now let us see the syntax of the between operator. The syntax of the between operator is select star from table name where column between lower value and upper value. Okay, now let's see the example by gaining practical experience by using command line. Let's get started. Open your command line. Command is already started. In order to start, I already told you just connect your database name. I renamed it as TechLight and enter your password. You have to use your correct password. Then you will get a message like connected. And in previous video, I already created a student one table. Now I'm going to perform between like in operators using the table. Okay, let's perform between operator on the student one table. You already saw the syntax of between operator. What's that? Select start from. Our table name is student one where, where now I'm going to retrieve the data whose age is between 20 and 22. Okay, it includes 20 and 22. Boundary values are also included. Okay, let's see where age between 20 and 22. Okay, put semicolon. Now you will see, you will retrieve the data. Here you can see 20 and 22 are also included, and in between the value 21 is also included. Okay, now let's see what is in operator. In operator purpose is to filter rows matching multiple specific values. Means let's see the syntax of in operator. Select start from table name where column in value 1 value 2. Let me write. Okay, now let's see the example. You will get to know more idea about in operator with an example. Now I want to retrieve the data students who are enrolled in Java or SQL. You got it? I want to retrieve the data. I want the data whose students who are enrolled in Java or SQL. Let's see. Select using in operator. This I have already told the syntax. Select to start from table name where column in of values. Now I have to retrieve the students who are enrolled in Java or SQL. Now I have to write select star from my table name is student 1 where course in of Java, comma SQL. Okay, now you see I got the students whose course is Java or SQL by using in operator. I specified here we got filter here we are filtering rows matching multiple specific values. Let's say provide if let's match with Python also. Python. Now click on enter. You will see we are matching rows multiple specific values. We are filtering rows matching multiple specific values. Okay. Here I matched with Java and SQL and Python. And this is the output we got by executing the above query. It There is one more advantage of using in operator is it is cleaner than using multiple or conditions. If we filter, if we write the same query using or operator, I have to filter where course in Java or SQL, and I have to write another or using Python course equal to Python. It is not recommended to use or operator for matching multiple specific values. It's always recommended to use in operator for matching multiple specific values. Okay, let's say another operator using like operator for pattern matching. Purpose of like operator is to search for partial matches using wildcards. Means it is mainly there are two symbols using wildcard as modulo symbol. It matches any sequence of characters, and another operator matches a single character. You see, this wildcard matches any sequence of characters, and this matches a single character. Let's see one by one. Now, I want the student whose name is starting with J. Did you get it? I want the student data whose name starts with J. Now, to perform the above query, I have to write select star from student 1 where name like. I have to write like operator like and the wildcard entry J modulo. This is the wildcard and semicolon. Now click on enter. You will see I got the data whose student name starts with letter J. Okay. Now I want the student names whose name start ends with an A. Letter A, character A. Select star from student 1 where name, like ending. This is a quite reverse. If here I wrote the wildcard entry at last for starting J letter to print J letter at starting, and here I want the student data whose name ends with A, and I wrote the wild character starting. Okay, you got it. Now click on enter. Now you will see Priya, Sara. These are the students whose name ends with letter A. Now I want the student name containing OH. OH. Okay. Now I have to perform the query as I'm just changing OH means O, and ending also I have to put the wildcard enter. Okay, now click on enter. Student whose name contains OH got print is printed. Okay, now let's see the common beginner mistakes is forgetting quotas around the text values and missing the wildcard entries like percentile or minus in like patterns, using between incorrectly with boundaries. Pro tip is test every filter with different values to understand its behavior. Okay, now it's your task. Let's see the practice challenge. Write SQL queries to find students aged between 19 and 21. Okay, your first task is to find students aged between 19 and 21. And another task is students show students data in Python or data science courses. Okay, it's a practice challenge. You have to practice. Find students aged between 19 and 21 and show the students in Python or SQL courses using in operator and list names ending with A. List names ending with A. Okay. If you face any difficulties in performing these queries, just comment it. I will review and I will personally help you. I will review your comment and help you out. So the very basic questions aged between 19 and 21 means 19 and 21 are also printed if you have the students whose age is 19 and 21 means 19, 20, 21. Okay. So students in Python or data science courses means here I have specified. If you listen to my video carefully, I already specified select students from where courses in operate. Using in operator, we can print Python or data science courses. List names ending with A. What you have to use in the about two characters is wildcard. Ending means you have to put starting only. Okay, you can see ending with A. Okay. Great job. You have now learned powerful ways to filter data in SQL using between, in, and like. These skills are used daily in real world databases and interviews. In the next video, we will explore sorting data with order by and start learning how to arrange your query results neatly. Completed the viewer task? Comment advanced filter task done. I will personally check your queries and help you improve. If this video helped, like, subscribe to TechLight and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. More practical SQL tutorials are coming your way. Keep practicing. I will see you in day 6 of our SQL queries.